Welcome to ECTV Tries, where the past is more unclear than the present. I'm Kai.
And I'm Avery. Although we don't know what today's task is, we have been given a hint.
The hint is, this one's been years in the making. What do you think of that?
I mean, we are right next to the radio booth. Maybe it could be music history.
I would like to do music history.
What do you think it's going to be?
I think it's going to be something about like E-Town history or something, because
That's
of course
good.
it would
Yeah.
be.
Years in the making. I'm going to go, it's got to do something with 2026.
Oh,
Something with the new year.
that's fair. I didn't think about that one.
I think it's time we look at the task.
You will be guessing baby pictures of your fellow ECTV members.
Okay.
Now we know our task. We'll be right back and get started.
Welcome back to ECTV Tries, where we just found out our task is to guess the ECTV member based on their baby pictures. Whoever guesses the right person correct first gets a point.
And if they do not answer correctly, the other person has the option to steal for points.
Whoever gets the most correct will win for today's task. Now that we have had deeper explanation, we can get started.
Guess the baby photo.
All right, let's see who we got.
I'm excited to find out.
Hmm.
Who is that?
I don't know. It doesn't. Obviously, it's a baby.
I mean, I guess so.
I get. But
It's giving Sal. Okay.
Oh,
It's a redhead.
I don't. No, I don't know.
I kind of see a little bit of Adam in it, and like the
Do you?
black
I don't know
pupils in the
about that.
eye,
Actually,
like
that's
the
true.
soullessness
No
behind the
soul.
face.
That might be it.
Oh,
it is.
okay. It was Adam.
look the same.
Yeah, I know. Hasn't changed a bit.
Wow, not at all.
Okay, is that Ella? No. Okay, here you go. Do you know?
I think that's a girl. So I'm gonna guess with no particular. This is just a girl's name. Gwen. I know Gwen, and that could be Gwen.
She's right here.
I'm going to guess H.
Is it H? Oh, okay.
H.
Good
Zangwill.
job.
The correct answer is H.
Oh my god. Oh, now
That
I
does
see
give it,
it.
yeah.
Yeah.
I was guessing either you or H.
Oh my.
I know who that little guy
Are you
is.
sure?
I think so.
Oh man, I don't know. Aidan, is that Aidan? Oh.
Correct answer is Sal.
Oh my god.
Oh.
It is Sal.
Would you look at that?
I don't know. I actually distinctly remember taking that picture
Do
in
you?
like a Sears photography studio.
Hold on. I feel like
I don't know.
is this Gabbie?
It's not.
Cute.
That's. I kind of.
I like the bangs. Those are some cute bangs.
You guys want to know who it is?
Yeah,
Sure.
I give up.
It's Katie.
Okay.
Oh,
Katie Madura!
okay, I see it. That's
Oh my
your
gosh.
that's your co-producer.
I
You should
love
have
Katie
known
Madura.
that.
I'm so sorry, Katie. Oh wow. I have no idea what that is. That's a lot of pixels there.
Yeah.
Okay. That's
I can
2 pixels.
I can see the pixels.
Okay, I'm gonna go again. Is this Brooke?
No.
Not Brooke. Okay.
Is that blonde hair?
Looks like I'm like either a light brunette or a dirty blonde.
The correct answer is me.
Oh my god.
Would it be funny if we got every single one wrong?
Yeah, we're going to, unfortunately.
I'm gonna guess Gwen, because that's the only other blonde I know, I think. Other than Logan. Ah!
The head is cut off. Gang.
I think I have
Who
an
is
idea.
that? Who could that be?
I think I might know who that is. I'm gonna guess that it's me. I've been slaying since day one.
The correct answer is Gabbie.
Oh my god. I see that too.
Alright, here's y'all's next one.
It's very cute, but I don't know.
This is a very cute outfit.
Yeah.
I really enjoy this fit. I just,
It's kind of actually no, it's not like the one you had on.
actually, I'm kind of stumped for once.
Is that Ella?
Is that Jenny?
Is Erica?
Is it Ella?
That.
Jay!
Oh.
Oh my god.
She did not get that one at all.
Yeah.
It's the sunglasses, I think.
Okay.
Ooh. Ooh. Why are they mogging?
Is that Logan? Oh.
I would guess if that was Sal, if we didn't already know.
I can't tell if this is a boy or a girl.
I'm gonna guess by the evil eyes. Logan?
No.
Okay.
Logan was a good guess. I'll go Brooke.
Why not?
Oh wow.
Look at me right now.
It's Brooke.
Oh my god. We're so sorry.
That's cute.
No.
That's
Jenny.
a baby. That is a baby.
Come on.
Okay. I'm gonna guess Erica because they have like the same hair color.
It's not.
Oh, that's a cute picture. I'm gonna guess Ella for this one. I'm feeling pretty confident.
Which Ella?
Ella Mom?
I will guess Ella Pepper.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Correct answer is Molly Finken.
Bruh.
Molly?
Oh, okay.
It's not blonde.
Yeah,
It's
I
not a
know.
blonde baby.
Trick question.
I majored for question. Andy Williams.
Look at this one.
Maybe. Oh, that's Mr. Williams. That's Andy.
Correct.
Is it like a flower by his ear?
Is that a flower? Or
I can't tell.
picture?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a cute one.
That has got to be Logan.
Nope. Did you see the evil eyes on there?
Yeah. Okay. Yep.
That's Logan.
That is Logan. Good job. This is your last one. You guys ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
I touched it first. That's Ella.
Good job.
What does that shirt say?
My
daddy.
daddy's awesome.
Oh, that's cute. Who is this? Those are some cute pigtails. This is such a good picture.
That's my alarm
Is
date.
that your alarm? Don't clock
Checking the
in.
slaw. All right, I'll take a
Clock in.
guess. Who is it? I will say
Ella Monty.
that's a good one. Yeah.
Hey!
Okay. Yeah, I should have.
Let's
seen
go.
that. Yeah.
Snooze, you lose, bud. Is that it?
I'm gonna check in real quick.
All right. Well, it's just the Gab show now. I actually can't do a backflip. I did that in post H. Spin me around.
So that's it for this episode of ECTV Tries. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed seeing all of our old baby pictures.
Make sure to stay tuned for more episodes on ECTV Tries. I'm Avery.
And I'm Kai.
What do I do now?
All right.
Thanks for watching!